Workers in the construction industry are literally building the future. Construction is also a driver of convergence across industries, connecting all the facets that make ideas go from mind to design to reality. Today, we'll be visiting Nox Innovations in Phoenix, a construction technology firm that is transforming how builders approach constructing for changing conditions. By inventing new technology workflows and adopting processes and approaches for manufacturing, they are reducing waste and inefficiencies while also creating safer job sites.
Aaron, it's an honor to be here representing Autodesk, whose design and make platform is changing the game for the next generation of creators. Where does Nox kind of fit into this game?
We're changing the way that construction is being done, right? We're taking the technology that Autodesk has, that platform, and creating that into real product that's going out to the field, that's solving real problems that are out there. This is where we take all the digital information that we get using Autodesk Revit and collaborating that information with Autodesk Construction Cloud platform to give us the ability to fully fabricate all the parts. This technology is allowing us to create safer environments out in the field, less people that we have in there, higher volume of time to get things installed, and a higher quality of installation by doing this process. When you open up people's creativity and allow the people that are hands-on doing the work to use their own problem-solving abilities, right? The things they come up with are far superior to what I'm sitting in my office coming up with.
There's a lot of people out here on the construction line. There's a lot of people in there in the VC doing the design. Where are the opportunities for the next generation to be a part of this process?
You know, that's one of the most important things to us, the people. There are hundreds of people that have come through the company, whether that be in the virtual construction or the fabrication side, that didn't see themselves in the construction industry. I think what people paint as a construction job is very different than what you probably have seen here today.
Well, it's tremendous to see the growing opportunities there are for the next generation. I appreciate you guys being a part of it.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.
Students, the future needs you. Help build it. Check out autodesk.com/makeitreal for inspiration, learning, and scholarship opportunities.